Hello everybody, today we are at Shuixi Park in the city of Tianjin. Remember, last time we talked about the role of the parks in the city as a reserve of biodiversity, especially for the pollinators. And today here in this park, we just realized the importance of this park for maintaining the biodiversity of species of birds, for example, because of this vegetation, that is a typical vegetation of wetland areas, is actually so important for the existence of species of birds that make the nest into this habitat. So this is really cool to see in the middle of the city such an incredible biodiversity that is maintained thanks to these parks in the city. So we are just enjoying walking and observing the species of animals into these parks. And today we are now just looking at birds. So just have a look now to some species of beautiful birds here. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.